You guys, it's your girl CharDion and I'm back with another freaking video. So today we're gonna be doing a little unboxing slash review because I want to show you guys these amazing sponges that I got from Instylish. I want to thank Instylish so much for reaching out to me to review their products. I am absolutely excited to go ahead and get into this. But before we go ahead and get into the video, guys, you already know what to do. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know down below in the comment section what you guys like about the sponges. Or if you guys have a favorite sponge that you're absolutely loving right now. So yeah, let's go ahead and get right into the video. So guys, right here is the sponges that I got from Instylish. These are the Duo, not so basic, multifunctional sponges, and they come 2 in a pack like I mentioned, and there's one that is brown, which I am so excited about because I am a dark skin girl and we can never find sponges that match our color, and like that's super important with foundation because sometimes with lighter color sponges they tend to look gross and get dirty really quickly. So a brown sponge is really nice. It also comes with this ordinary like pink sponge, so I'm excited about these. So yeah, before I go into it, I want to read you guys a little bit about these sponges so you guys have an idea of what we're looking at. This is the Duo packed. They are priced right now for $9.99, so you guys are definitely getting a deal. And if you watch the end of the video, I'll give you guys my discount code, so if you guys go ahead and use this discount code, it will be even less than that. So what? Yes, what they have on their site about these sponges is that the 2 makeup sponges are designed without latex, which is perfect for applying and blending all formulas. So this seems pretty hyped up, guys. Like, it seems very hyped up, but I'm excited to see what it's all about, and you guys know your girl's gonna keep it real. So yeah, let's go ahead and get to opening this up. Oh wow. So I like that this has like a flat surface, but it's also pointed right here, so you can kind of get into the crevices, which is nice. And then it's also flat back here, so it can cover like a smaller region, so maybe like the sides of your nose. So this is cool, but it also has the back of it like rounded, so you can also blend very like fully. I don't know why, but this is my favorite. Like, I am so excited about this brown one. And this seems like to be like just for overall full coverage where it's equally blended. I like that these blenders have spots where they are flat evenly, so that way you can get into certain spots and kind of blend it the way you want to blend it. You have so much control like that, and I love this. I love this. Because I'm so excited about using this brown one, I think I'm gonna go ahead and give this one a shot first. But let's go ahead and read the instructions and see what they say about applying this particular brush style. So I'm going to go ahead and use my Maybelline Fit Me, and this is in the color of 360 Mocha. So I have a little bit on my sponge here, and we're just going to go ahead and try to get under the eye. This is so soft on the skin. Oh my gosh, it's like butter. About the sponge already is that the product isn't absorbing into the sponge. It sits on the sponge, but it like helps it glide onto the skin, so it's very nice. You see that? That's so nice. Look how natural it looks. That's so nice. I don't think I've had foundation blend this well. Yes. Okay, so this is nice because like I mentioned before, I don't have that much foundation on, but the fact that I was able to take just a small little bit of foundation and easily apply this with this beauty blender, and it comes out looking even, oh, I'm in love. So I think it's safe to say that you guys need to go out and get these blenders if you want your makeup to be flawless and look natural like this. I love natural looking makeup. Say that a lot of people like these sponges, and I know some of you guys are in the comments gonna be like, girl, you didn't wet it, you didn't wet it. I don't typically wet my beauty blenders or any kind of sponges that I use, just because I feel like it makes the product like really soak into the blender way more than it like already is going to. So I kind of go ahead and allow my sponges that I apply my makeup with be a little bit dry, because I just want my product to stick to my face and not soak into my blender and get all yucky and nasty. I feel like it's very vital for the longevity of the sponges itself. So yeah, if you guys like these sponges, go ahead and check out my coupon code right here. Actually, it's a discount code, so guys, go ahead and get that discount code and go ahead and get you guys some of these very nice, very soft, neatly and insanely cut crease beauty sponges for your makeup to look fabulous. And as always, guys, stay new, stay true, and be you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.